Okay, I started with kind of trickier ones, so I've decided that this side is level 2 and we're going to start with level 1 over here. Okay, level 1. So when you're approaching a sum question, just look at the numbers and look at the sign. So they're all going to be plus or adding today. All of them are the same sign, okay? And this one means equals, so you put the answer of the total in here. So when you're doing them, you start with the biggest number and tap your head, okay? So the biggest number is 3. So tap your head and say 3. And then the smaller number is 2, so they go in your fingers. So 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. Again, which one's the bigger number? This time it's over here. It's 4. And the other number goes in your fingers. 2. So 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6. Now this time the bigger number is over here. So we're going to start here with the bigger number here. So tap 5 in your head and 3 goes in your fingers. So 5, 6, 7, 8. When all your fingers are gone, that's your answer, 8. And to finish, that's 8. Now 6 and 4, which one is bigger? It's the 6, isn't it? So that's going to be tapped on your head, and the 4 is going to go in your fingers. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or 1T, as I've been called in the other videos, 1T. So we've got 8 and 3. 8 is bigger, 3 goes in the fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11. Or 1T1. 1T1. So when you're writing it, you can say it like that. 1T. 1T1. Which one is bigger here? Yep, it's the 9. So that's going to get tapped on your head and 4 go on your fingers. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What's the silly number for 13? 1T3. 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 4 and 4. Now if you know your doubles, this will be easy. 4 and 4 is 8. 4 and 4 is 8. But let's just, if you didn't know your doubles, how would you do that one? They're both the same, so just start with either one. Doesn't matter. So we'll tap this 4. We're going to put this 4 in our fingers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. So it's like this again. And 8. Okay. Now this one here, this has got the swimming pool in it. This guy's called 1T. He's much bigger than him, so this is the biggest number. We'll tap 1T, and we'll add the countdown with our fingers on this. So 1T, 1T1, 1T2, 1T3. Or we could have done the quick way. 1T and 3 is 1T3. 1T and 3 is 1T3. So when you see these ones, you don't really need to count on. You can just jump them into the swimming pool. 1T3. Now these might be a little bit trickier, or some of them might. Again, 4 and 9, which is bigger. The 9 is bigger. Now, what you could do is pretend that's a 10. So you could say, pretend that's a 1T. 1T and 4 is 1T4. But then you have to remember that 9 is 1 smaller. So we said 1T4 for the answer. What's 1 smaller than 1T4? 1T3. 1T3 would be the answer. Let's just check though. Let's tap for 9. Let's do the other way just to be sure. Tap 9 and count 4. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 1, 2, 3. There's your answer, okay? So you can pretend it's a 10 if you like, but you don't have to. You can still count on the other way if you prefer. 8 and 5. Big number 8. Tap. Small number on your fingers. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What's the silly number? 1T3. 1T3. 6 and 8. Oh, this is tricky because we've got more more than 5. I've only got 5 fingers. So this is where you have to use your left hand as well. So I'm going to tap the big number, which is 8, and then I'm going to show 5 and 1 makes 6. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What's the silly number for 14? 24. 7 and 9. We could pretend the 9 is a 10 because they're right beside each other. 9, 10. So if you want to, you could pretend that's 1t. I'll write it up here. 7 plus 1t. This guy dives in. It would be 1t and 7 is 1t7. But we're asking 1t and 9. So it's 1 less. What's 1 less than 1t7? 1t6. That's it, 1t6. Let's write it down here, but we'll also check. So 9, tap 9, and we're going to count 7. So 7, tap 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, 1t6. Oh, is that after me? Now, what's the bigger number? 8. Tap for 8, show 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. Or 1t1. 6 and 6, if you know your doubles, 6 and 6 is 12. 1t2. That's the quickest way of doing it, isn't it? If you know your doubles, you get there in 2 seconds. But if we didn't know our doubles, we'd have to go 6 and 6. Tap for 6, and then count on 6. So I'm going to show 6 on my fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I was right. 12, 1t2. Here's an easy one if we know it. 1t and 5 is 1t5. You just let him jump into the swimming pool. 1t and 5 is 1t5. And you know how to write it, 1t5. Ooh, 9 and 8. 9 and 8 is they're pretty close to each other. They're neighbour numbers. So if it was 8 and 8, and you knew your doubles, it would be 16. 8 plus 8 equals 16. So 8 plus 9 must be 1 bigger, 17. But we're not really there yet. So we're just going to do the normal way. We're going to tap the big number, 9. We're going to count on 8. Lots of fingers showing there, aren't they? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Tricky, tricky, tricky stuff. 1t7. Try your best, set up your own questions. Best of luck.